In today's video, I am going to teach you how to round off in Zoho Books. If you've ever sent an invoice with a total like 99.47 and wished it were a clean 99 or 100, this feature is for you. Automatic rounding makes your sales documents, like invoices and estimates, look tidy and professional. And it helps when your pricing or payment methods work best with whole numbers. Let's set it up and talk through what it does behind the scenes, so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening Settings. You'll find this by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your Zoho Books screen, which opens the main configuration area for your organization. In the Setup and Configurations area, choose the General tab. This is where Zoho keeps broad preferences that apply across your account, including how totals are presented on sales transactions. Now, scroll to the section called Rounding Off in Sales Transactions. Here, select the option to round off the total to the nearest whole number. This tells Zoho Books to automatically move the final amount up or down to the closest whole currency value. For example, a total of 120.62 will become 121.00, while 75.28 becomes 75.00. When you are ready, click Save to apply the change. From this point on, Zoho Books will add a round-off line to your sales templates. Think of your template as the layout your customers see on invoices and estimates, where subtotals, taxes, and totals appear. The round-off line will display a small positive or negative adjustment that bridges the gap between the calculated total and the new whole number total. If your invoice lands at 199.88, you'll see a positive adjustment of 0.12, bringing it to 200.00. If it's 250.11, you'll see a negative adjustment of 0.11, bringing it to 250.00. Importantly, this adjustment does not rewrite your line items, quantities, or discounts. It simply fine-tunes the final figure so the total is a whole number, keeping your pricing logic intact while improving readability. This is especially helpful if your business quotes in whole numbers, accepts cash payments, or wants consistent, rounded totals on customer-facing documents. Once saved, the setting applies to new invoices and estimates you create going forward. And the round-off line will appear automatically so customers can understand why the total is a clean number. It's clear, transparent, and handled entirely by Zoho Books after this one-time setup. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.